Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on fast wireless battery charging in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. This option should be turned on by default, but if it's turned off for whatever reason and we want to turn it on again, we have to go to Settings, then in our Battery and Device Care. Under this little hidden menu here under Battery, we have more battery settings, and in this menu our fast wireless charging is turned off in this moment, so simply tap it once and back out. No need for saving anything, and that's all. Please leave a like, subscribe, have a good day, and see you in the next video.